Hi everyone. Today I and Shanvi are here to share our thoughts and experiences after the class 10 board results. So Shanvi, how are you feeling after your results?
Honestly, Anvesha, I'm feeling really happy, relieved, and grateful. Seeing the result finally made me feel that all the efforts were really worth it.
That's amazing. And you scored an outstanding 97.28%, which is a very great achievement. So, what was your reaction when you saw your result? Were you confident or nervous?
To be honest, I was really nervous. My hands were literally shaking at that moment. But the moment I saw my result, I was relieved. And congrats to you too, you also scored really well.
Thank you so much. And honestly, none of this would have been possible without the support of our teachers, parents, and friends. Our teachers guided us at every step, encouraged us, motivated us, and solved our every doubt.
एंड पेरेंट्स उन्होंने भी हमें हर सिचुएशन में सपोर्ट किया, चाहे लेट नाइट स्टडीज़ हो या फिर स्ट्रेस। एंड ऑल्सो आर प्रिंसिपल सर, उन्होंने भी हमें हर मोमेंट पे मोटिवेट किया, स्ट्रेस कम लेने के लिए कहा।
Shanvi, your result has truly made the school proud and inspired many students to work hard. So, what was the biggest challenge that you faced during your board's preparation?
Anvesha, the biggest challenge I would say was to stay consistent. As you know, there are a lot of chapters, and managing all chapters feels difficult sometimes. Sometimes, even stress increases, motivation becomes low, but staying consistent helped me a lot.
That's true. I also believe that consistency matters more than just studying one night before the exam.
Yes, obviously.
So, do you also get nervous like me before examinations?
Yes, obviously. I think every student gets nervous before the exam, and even one night before exam, even easy chapters start looking difficult.
Yeah, that's true. So, what do you think? What is more important, hard work or smart work?
I think both are important. Hard work gives you the knowledge, but smart work helps you to manage time and focus on the important concepts.
Now, let me ask you something that every student wants to know. That how many hours did you study for your boards preparation?
And Vesha, honestly, I never focused only on hours. I focused more on understanding concepts and studying regularly every day.
So, Shanvi, as we are in class 11th now, which stream have you chosen and what is the reason behind it?
Anvesha, I have chosen non-medical because I find subjects physics and mathematics interesting, and I really want to explore opportunities, career opportunities in these fields like technology. Yes.
Yeah, non medical definitely requires hard work, and I'm sure that you will do well in it.
Which stream have you chosen?
I have chosen commerce because I find subjects like business and finance very interesting, and commerce matches my interest and future goals as well.
That's really nice. I am also sure that you will do really well in it.
So, Shanvi, what advice would you give to your juniors for preparation of boards?
And Vesha, I would say that don't take too much stress. Focus on understanding concepts instead of memorizing it. And I know you will do it. You will give your best.
We should not compare ourselves with others because everyone has their own pace of learning. We should make a proper schedule and we should not take the burden or stress because with marks, peace of mind is also very important.
ऑल्सो स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ाई करो ताकि एंड में जाके ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस ना हो। एग्जाम से पहले स्ट्रेस ज़रूर होता है, पर अगर स्टार्टिंग से तुम कंसिस्टेंट रहोगे तो एंड में बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी। अन्वेषा, नाउ एज वी आर इन क्लास 11th, हमने अपनी स्ट्रीम्स तो चूज़ कर ली हैं। सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द डिफरेंट स्टीरियोटाइप दैट पीपल हैव अबाउट द स्ट्रीम्स?
I think that every stream has its own opportunity and importance. Means these depend on the interest and passion of students, and the students should not judge any stream as less valuable. So, Shanvi, before we end this conversation, what would you like to say?
Anvesha, I want to say that class 10th is not just about marks or exams. It is more about learning and growing with time, and also about making beautiful memories that you are going to cherish for your life.
That's true. And I think that this journey has taught us so many things like how to do hard work, smart work, and how to be in discipline, how to stay confident. So I just want to say that don't stress and give your best. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening.
Thank you.